Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new Project 46 video. Today I will show you how to remove the rubberized coating from your car part. During the early and the mid 2000s, car manufacturers used this stuff on plastic car parts. It was meant to give a soft and rubberized feel to plastic parts. But over time this coating degrades and leaves behind this ugly and sticky finish. In this video I'll show you how to remove this coating and restore the plastic to its former glory. Obviously the first thing that you'll need to do is to remove the plastic parts from the interior of the car. This process will be different for every brand and model. When all the parts are removed, you can start scraping off the soft touch coating. This process is pretty tedious. Personally, I've obtained the best results using oven cleaner, some kind of a scraping tool and a toothbrush. First, spray the oven cleaner onto the surface of the plastic. Then let the oven cleaner do its thing, wait till it dissolves the coating a bit, and then use the toothbrush and the scraping tool to scrape off the coating. And now repeat this process for the rest of the parts. When all your parts are clean, you can now start masking off the pieces you don't want to paint. For example, this chrome piece right here. If you have parts made out of this glossy plastic, I would suggest scuffing up the surface with some 600 grit sandpaper before the painting step. And these are the retro cans that I'm gonna use for this project. First, I'll prime the surface with some plastic primer and then I'll paint the parts with some matte black paint. And I'll apply 2 coats of each. So let's do this.